I am super excited for today's video because it's almost Christmas, which means holiday seasons, and I got my first Christmas gift from MAC Cosmetics in Belgium, and I can't wait to open this one. So keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Angeline, aka the Flying Angel. For today's video, I am super excited because I got a PR Christmas gift from MAC Cosmetics Belgium. It came here a few days ago, but I haven't opened it yet, so now is the time to open this one. It's super cute. As you can see, it's a gift box with a pink ribbon and MAC logo is printed on it, so I totally get the vibes. It's perfect to put it under the Christmas tree, but first I am going to open this one. I am so excited. Here we go. OMG, it's so pretty. So many products. So the first one is this beautiful pink pouch. So it is the Bubbles and Bows collection from the MAC holiday. This is so cute. Ooh, it's even wrapped. I think we got lip products. I got the Splash of Currant lipstick and a Prep and Prime for the lips as well, and a Powder Kiss liquid lip color. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's purple as well. Oh, it smells so good too. Ooh, pretty. It's a soft color, Nuttier Sugar Plum. I like that name. Oh, this is more darker. I like it. I don't have this shade yet. Let's go on to the next one. This one. 3 Cheers Lipstick Trio Bestsellers. So we got 3 best-selling matte shades from MAC. The Whirl and the Mirror and the Ruby Woo matte lipstick. The first lipstick I am going to swatch is the Mirror. So pretty. Next one, the Ruby Woo. Oh, that's pretty as well. Last best-selling matte lipstick is the Whirl matte lipstick. Ooh, I like this one. This is more like nude brownish. I kind of have the impression these are all lip products, which I absolutely love. Oh, this is super cute. It's a Taste of Bubbly mini lipstick kit. Huh? So these are like mini travel versions. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, ah! The size of my pink. Oh. I am going to swatch the Burnt Sugar. This is more a light shade. Next one is a Sugar Spiked. Ooh, it has glitter in it. Oh, I like it. And the last one is a Dolce de Rosé. This is the matte color. Ooh. You obviously see a huge difference. This is the matte one and this is the Lustreglass. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. And this is the Amplified Cream. The next product that we got is the eye pencil. Look at the packaging. So beautiful. So the No Way Rosé looks like this. A golden shade. Or yeah, like a rosé. A eyeshadow. It's the Ice Gold. Oh, this is really beautiful. It's a golden eyeshadow. Okay, so 2 more products to unbox, and this one is the Cheers to Mocha kit. It's another lip product. Ooh, so we have another Prep and Prime lip, probably the Stroke Cream. Oh, it's also so cute. It's a mini version. It's in the shade Pink Light, so it's white, probably change into pink. It's supposed to be that color, but I'm actually not seeing it yet. Another lipstick, Mocha Satin Lipstick. Oh, I like this color. I think I am seeing it, but it's very light. More like of a highlighter to me. And then the last product from this beautiful box is the... I think it's another lipstick. Yes, it's the Lustreglass Sheer Shine Lipstick. The shade is No Whining. Ooh, I think this is for me the most beautiful packaging from the holiday collection. It looks so expensive. Oh wow, show me how you look like. pretty too. I actually want to show you another lipstick that I got from the MAC Holiday collection as well. This one, it's not a lipstick, it's a lip balm. It's the Taste for Bubbles. The lip balm is more rounded and this is more like a bullet lipstick. The prettiest lipstick I've ever seen. Actually, you don't feel the glitter at all. See, so it's very light, subtle. Comment if you agree with me. And of course, we've got a Christmas card from MAC too. Do comment below if you own one of these products and what your thoughts are. And actually, I think these are all perfect gift ideas to give to your loved ones if you prefer to give one item or gift a kit. They have it all, so definitely have a check on their website. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So warmest wishes and enjoy the holiday season. Bye!